Hi, my name is Brandon with Safe & Vault Store, and today we're going to be talking about the Liberty HDV-300X. This Liberty is very heavy duty. It weighs 35 pounds. It offers a keypad, a biometric scanner, and also backup keys right here. And it does have a rechargeable battery, which comes with the cord in the docking system. This Liberty also comes with a mounting plate, so you can mount it to a nightstand or a solid surface. This one also offers very quick access. And it will open very quick, and then you got a lighted interior, which actually will fit quite a bit in it. Along with the rechargeable battery, it also has Bluetooth for wireless connectivity that allows remote access. If you're looking for an awesome handgun safe that's very heavy duty, this would be the perfect option for you. Again, this is Brandon with Safe & Vault Store, and thanks for shopping with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.